If you have the ability to love yourself first. Love doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be true. Falling in love is easy. Falling in love with the same person repeatedly is extraordinary. The supreme happiness in life is the conviction that we are loved. To love and be loved is to feel sun from both sides. Where there is love, there is life. Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you. True love never dies. It only gets stronger with time. Love is like the wind. You can't see it, but you can feel it. The love we give away is the only love we keep. I love you not because of who you are, but because of who I am when I am with you. We can learn to love by loving. True love stories never have endings. I have found the one whom my soul loves. Let all that you do be done in love. Be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. Owe no one anything except to love each other, for the one who loves another has fulfilled. Clothe yourself in love. Love is what holds you all together in perfect unity. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him should not perish but have everlasting life.